Hi, hi. My name is Maria Fernanda Muñoz Hiro. I am 24 years old. I'm from Cali, Colombia. In, in August, I was in Israel. For me, the best country in the world. Why so many history and religious sites? For example, Jerusalem is a capital, is a beautiful modern city. It's a country where many cultures and religions of the world exist. With this 15 days tour for this country, following in the photos on the Jesus in in his plan for everyone to one God. The city that I liked the most was Nazareth. It really looked and beautiful city. By the time they went to Israel, the winter was summer. Is the best time for go, but I was a drive no with summer. I have been in the winter and summer and prefer this time because it make me familiar and better. Israel is desert. Sun in the day the sun is intense and the night the winter drops in a colors. For the travel in Israel, tip 1 is necessary to protect the sea because Israel is very desert and the sun feels is intense. Tip 2 is important to consume a lot of water. Tip 3 is advisable to wear glasses and cap. Tip 4 in the night the temperature drops and it feels refreshing to the point that sometimes it was a cover. It's important to wear a light cap. Tip 5 it's a good idea to wear tennis signs. The streets of the historical place are stone and you should go comfort. Tip 6 water is expensive. It's necessary to bring um, ref- refillable water in the bottles from the restaurant in hotel. Tip 7 do not let the water determine winter or not visit somewhere. Believe me, summer is better in Israel than winter, so enjoy. Tip 8 it's a good idea to pack a sunscreen so you can enjoy the day sea and is protected. In Israel is important not only to bring dollar but also shekels. It's important that you stay more than 2 days in Jerusalem to know well and experience the spiritual of the place. You must get a guide, a guide that will locate you, teach to you and take to your tour of Israel, which a small country. You must read before about culture to understand what they are. You should not alone. It's better for this plan to you go in a small group. You should not use other religions that use in Israel. We can all be with a flag. For me, Israel is the best country on the world, and the experience um, is very spiritual.